guys, I wanted to show you these ultra fine tip acrylic paint markers that I received from the company. I have a ton of this stuff. We are a big like arts and crafts family, so we have a lot of these type of supplies, and I was really excited to get these. First of all, you could use these on a ton of different materials. Like my kids love to paint rocks, something that we kind of just like do as an activity outside, so I will absolutely have them utilize these for painting rocks and like outlining, writing their names. They're really thin, so they're like a very thin point and tip. So just if that's what you're looking for, that's what you're gonna get with these. You do have to shake them and get them going. Let's see, I want to find one that I already used. So you shake it and then you press down to like get it, you know, the paint going in there. So I wanted to show you on a paper, just like, you know, how thin. I think they're perfect for utilizing for handwriting, you know, writing your name, or if you want to do some like, so you need to get the paint going like that. If you want to do some more detailed drawing with it, it's perfect for that. You can really get like some nice fine lines. So I just wanted to give you like a close look at like how fine the lines are. So if you're looking for something like chunkier that's going to, you know, go fast, that's not what this is. This is more like your detailed work for writing, for getting like really nice fine lines. I also wanted to show you the white. So again, I got this one going, got the paint coming out. This is a piece of wood, so I thought I would write my name on there so that, you know, I know this is my toothbrush and my kids don't take it. There you go. And this is wood or bamboo. I think this could be bamboo actually. So I just wanted to give you like that's the white. So like a close look. It's going to work on a lot of things, like going to work on ceramic, glass, like I said before, rocks, paper, wood. I've taken pens like this, and I will take these like we hike sometimes in the spring and the summer. You can throw these in the backpack and write onto like sticks as you're going, or like if you need to take a break, it's something for the kids to do. Or the beach, you could take them and do like paint some shells. So, or you just like label things like I just did. So you want to let it dry because it is paint, so it's going to need to dry before you can touch it. It's water-based, so you can wash it off with you know, soap and water, but I wouldn't get it on your clothes necessarily. Really happy with these. I love the pack, and I like how thin the point is. Those are always good to have, and I think it's a really nice value. So definitely grab these.